Why should I buy an off-plan property where I have an option to buy a ready property which is already giving me a good rental return? A lot of people ask me that question, and the answer is very simple. If you'll see, most of the investors always buy off-plan property. The main reason for this is the cash flow. If you'll have to buy a ready property, you will have to pay 100% cash at the time of buying the property. But in off-plan, this is not the case. In off-plan property, you'll have to make only the down payment, and the remaining you will be paying on the payment plan. So an investor, rather than buying a single ready unit, he goes for multiple off-plan properties. And how he make the money? So the formula is very simple. Let's say you buy an off-plan property which is for 1 million dirham, and during 1.5 years you make 30% of that property. After 1.5 years, the property price goes up to 1.2 million, which is very normal in Dubai market. By paying only 300,000, you are making a profit of 200,000, which is more than 30%. An investor, rather than buying a single property, he invests in 3 different properties, and that is where he make the money. In each property he is making more than 30% profit. So you can calculate how much profit he can make. And that is the main thing why investors invest in the off-plan property. Second, and the most important thing, is where and which developer you are investing with. So you will have to choose a right consultant who can advise you where you will have to invest and where you will be making the money. You might have seen videos for people making queues to buy a property. This is a real market. This is not the bubble. These are the real investors. They are buying and they are making money out of these properties.